FXEmpire. This is Chris taking a look at the euro dollar, and as you can see, the market certainly seems to be running into significant resistance at the 50-day EMA, but it's not necessarily going to be an easy trade to do. This is a market that obviously has a lot of noise around it. It's almost always choppy. And that didn't disappoint for the last couple of weeks, as you can see. Uh, that all taken into account, we are at the 50-day EMA, which has been relatively reliable. Um, a sell-off from here should perhaps reach down towards the 111 level again. And I think this is all going to come down to the U.S.-China trade talks. U.S.-China trade talks are going to determine a risk on, risk off environment. I do believe that the European economies are starting to try to bottom, but ultimately the market is going to be very much reflective of that. And what I mean by that is anytime you try to base, it's noisy, and therefore I think we continue to chop around. If we break below 111, we could go to 110. A breakdown below there would be somewhat catastrophic. I don't expect that. So really at this point, I believe we are probably going to see this former support here in this range offer resistance. I would expect a little bit of a rollover, but there's such a wild card in the U.S.-China trade talks that you really can't bank on that ahead of time. Probably better off waiting until Monday.